You see this right here? This is a stove burner top, perfect for camping or RVing. The reason why we have this in here is because when we are boondocking and we're harnessing the power of the sun, I can run this off of my batteries. I don't need to run off the propane, thus helping my propane last a little bit longer, and it's free, right? I don't have to charge, doesn't cost me anything. This little guy right here will heat up all the way to max. What is max? I don't know. So let's find out together what this little guy can heat up to. But I can tell you right now, it's going to be perfect for eggs, bacon, anything like that that you need a single skillet for. It's already done that. To turn it to max, you just do this. Now, this is a 1,000-watt burner. So if you are running an AC, anything like that, just know that it's going to be 1,000 watts while this is on and while it's on max. So we're going to see what it heats up to. We will check this out. The other thing that's really nice about this is just how small and portable it is. It can live inside of an RV. It can live in a camping bin or whatever. And so you can take that camping with you and have an electric stove where you don't have to use the propane. At that max heat setting right there, that's going to hit 788 degrees. Woo! That is super hot. So what does that tell me? That tells me that you're going to be able to sear a steak quite nicely. 780 degrees. You're never going to do that unless you are trying to sear a steak and sear it quickly. And that's exactly what that's going to do. So don't ever go to max mode because you don't need it at 700 degrees. And it just did that right here. So it can go all the way from obviously 0 up to 788 degrees. That's crazy. This little burner right here has been a staple in our home for way over 5 years. We've taken it camping. We've taken it RVing. We've taken it just picnicking, anywhere that we want to go and have a quick meal and use this burner. We've been around off of a solar generator, all those battery power generators. So if you don't have one and you're looking to get one, I definitely recommend it. It's not only is it worth the money, but it's worth the hassle.